people, back again with another one. Um, it's another Jordan. Um, I actually don't know how this model has become so hyped up over the last year, because I was buying these few years ago on sale. I'm talking 35, £40 full price on sale, basically full price on sale. That makes sense. We already know what it is. Nike box. I just want to say before I open this, make sure you subscribe, like and comment if you want, but subscribe is the most important. And make sure you watch the whole video, man. I need them hours. So the good old pull for sport. And it better not have the thingy here, man. Oh, it doesn't. The paper. Everyone knows what that is. That's the newer box that Jordan have. Well, it's not that new. It's been going on for a few years now, but they changed it up from the other box that they had before. Let's just get into it, man. So, of course, gold Jumpman, matte black box. Gold Jumpman again, matte black box. Air Jordan 1 mid. One of the most overhyped trainers ever. I don't even know why people actually care about this trainer. Well, it's whatever. 23 on the tissue. Michael Jordan. Royal ones. Yeah, royal ones. Well, royal mid ones. Mid royal ones. What's the actual color on the box? Black hyper royal on white. Yeah, royal mids. These are not highs. They're mids. They're okay. These are like £100, which is way too much for a pair of ones. That's a rip-off, I have to say. I actually kind of like the blue. I'm anti-mids, but I'm not anti-mids. I don't have a problem with them. I just have a problem with the hype, per se. I have a problem with people reselling mids. I have a problem with mids not being able... Well, people not being able to find mids. It's mids. These are the ones that stay on shelves. These are mids, man. They stay on shelves. No one cares about these. Now all of a sudden people care about them. I don't like the fact that they go out of stock so quickly, and I don't like the fact that they went... I believe I was buying them for around £70, £80 when they were full price. £40, £30 on offer. And these were £100. They're not worth £100. And don't pay resale for mids, man, please. Don't pay resale for mids. You're a donut if you pay resale for mids, honestly. Just don't get them. Buy some Air Forces, some Air Maxes. Don't pay resale for mids. I'm actually going to put in the title, Jordan 1 mid, watch before you buy. Because people need to know that these are not worth it, man. The leather's not really too great. It's just the same old bloody leather. Standard stuff. I actually do like the blue colour, but I only bought these to make a video, to be honest. Got the Air Jordan there. There's no Jordan on the back. Ones don't really have that. No Jumpman branding unless it's that. Royal toe box. Royal bits all around. And that's it. I really don't know what else to say about this trainer. It's not the best. It's not the worst. But just, if you can get it for retail, get it. If you can get it on a discount, get it. If you can't, do not pay resale for these. Stop putting money in other people's pockets who are just ripping you off. Stop doing that. Stop getting mugged off. If you can find, buy them. If you can't find them, don't buy them. Don't bother. Don't care about them. Please stop wasting your money paying these resellers. Why did you resell mids, man? Just let people have them. These are meant to be on the shelves. End of season sale, £30 off, £40 off. You know, like 90 to 60. That's okay. We can pay £60. That's nothing. These are not the best shoe. I don't see why people are paying resale for these, man. £200. Why? You crazy? I really don't have anything else to say about these. Just make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And as always, a on foot video will follow. It will be uploaded at the same time as this one, really. And yeah, enjoy.